Hi everyone, this is Arath from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about ways of saying or expressing sympathy, ways to present or let's say offer condolence. Okay, this is asked by Mehdi, one of my students from uh, Holland, from Netherlands. Yeah, Matthew from Netherlands asked me for this lesson. Okay, how to express sympathy. Sympathy for the time someone has died, which is actually offering condolence. Okay, so how do we offer condolence in English? There are lots of different ways in different languages, but they are not, not all this, all of them can be brought to English. Some of the ways that we say in our mother tongue are not really a good example, a good sample to be used in English. Sometimes these things are meant, when we say something that we normally say in our language, in our mother tongue, is not accepted in English and means something different because the culture is different, because of lots of things. Okay, so there are things to say in English and things to avoid saying in English. So I've got two different groups over here. One, the ones that we better say, and ones that we better not. Okay, so let's start with these ones. The first one, which is really kind of let's say is a kind of fixed one and is a cliche, is this: I'm sorry for your loss. So we're talking to one who has lost a close friend or a close relative, and we want to show our sympathy. We're talking to a bereaved person, so person is in pain of loss of someone close, and we should be careful what we say. But this is one of the ways we say. This is one of the expressions that is commonly used, but there is no feeling into this. Okay, this is kind of recorded things. That's a kind of copy thing. Okay, if you say that to someone, the person understands that you are trying to show sympathy, you're trying to express that, but they know that you have, it's like you have memorized something and just saying that, going, saying something from the heart. It's not coming from your heart. It's not real. Okay, but even though I have put it over here on this list, it's better than nothing. Okay, so if you're lost for words, you don't know how to express that. You don't know how to say. So try this one. I'm sorry for your loss. I'm sorry for your loss. That is accepted. Okay, but you'd better do other ones. You'd better use the other ones. Okay, if you can remember them, so then this one. You're in my thoughts. Okay, you can tell the bereaved person, you can tell the person that you care about him or her. You care about him, you think of this person. You are in my thoughts, or I'm thinking of you. Means that we're telling the person that you're not alone. You have lost someone, but you still have others that care about you, others that are there for you. You can express that in different ways. I'm here for you if you need anything. I'll be there for you if you need me. If you need me, just give me a call. If you need me, just let me know. Or if you feel lonely, just call me or let me know or come to me. So you just show that you are there for them and they are not alone. They haven't lost everything. They have got others. They have got some friends. They've got you around, so they are not alone. Because when someone loses someone close, they feel kind of isolated, kind of let's say alone at the end of the line. But others, by expressing these kind of things, show that they are for them, they are there for them, they care about them. So then they feel a bit better. Okay? Or I love you. You can also say I love you. We know this word. It's not something new. We use it for, for romantic relationships and these kind of things. For these kind of things, but we can use it over here as well. If you feel close enough to the person, we can say "I love you," to say that to show that I care about you. Love is better than care, isn't it? So you can say I love you, I like you, I care about you. So when we say this to the person, we are kind of opening doors to them, showing that we are there for them, we think of them, we will do things that we can do for them, so that they feel that they're not alone. Okay, so you can use these words, these common sentences to show your sympathy. It's not just words like this, these kind of big words. You can express common words, but be careful not to offend anyone. These are the ones that might be really offensive. Okay? I'll miss him, I'll miss her. She or he was a wonderful person. So talk about good characteristics of the person. How good he was, how intelligent he was, or the good things that we can remember of the person, or a good memory. I will never forget when he or she did that. Then a short story after that. Okay, so you say that I will remember him for this, I will remember her for this, because he or she did this. Talk about a good thing that he has done or he's remembered for. Then we are kind of lessening the pain for the bereaved. Okay, did I miss anything? My deepest condolences to you upon the passing of the person. You can bring the name over here. I can put the name over here. I've just brought this one as an example of how to write. Okay, if you are writing this, if you're sending a card, then you can start with something like this. My deepest condolences to you upon the passing of, then the person's name. Okay, condolences, deepest condolences. I mean, the words, expressions that you use offer to say sorry about losing someone. That is condolences. Condolences means to feel, is the plural form of condolence, and condolence is the means to feel, to suffer together. That is from Latin, condole, and means the same thing. Means to suffer together. Sympathy, showing, offering condolences, and is what the person needs. So that is one of the ways we can use. We can say my deepest, or we can say our deepest, because sometimes we are talking on behalf of our family or a group of people or co-workers, colleagues. So we can say our deepest. So you can choose what to say. So it's not just you have to say this, not that one, or something like this. You can make it up. You can make your own way of saying that. Okay, you might say our condolences or my condolences. I'm sorry for your loss. My condolences. I will miss him or I will miss her. You can combine these things as well. That is possible. Okay, and I mentioned these as well. Okay, so there are lots of different ways. So you can search Google for how to express sympathy or how to offer condolence. Lots of things will come up. Probably lots of things not to say as well. Okay,